Tried to challenge my philosophies, tasted the fire.